How's it going, guys? Thank you for tuning in and welcome to another video unboxing. We have another Greenlight truck against the SD Trucks Series 20 from Greenlight. Purchased this at Hobby Lobby, and this one, it's a pretty cool 2019 Mack with a cab. So it's a Mack Truck cab. The thing that caught my attention was the paint scheme on this one. We'll talk about it more in a bit, but let's look at the back. Pretty simple. There's the website and all that legal stuff. So let's get the model open and we'll take a look at it. And there's the model, guys. Let's have a look. We have rubber tires. This one has a plastic base, which is unfortunate. There's all the information from the manufacturer. Oh, that's cool. It has the Mack logo. Let's see if we can get closer so you can see the emblem on the front. I think it's like a dog or something. Pretty nice. That's plastic, again with the Mack logo. And what I was saying earlier about the paint scheme, it's like, doesn't this remind you of the Optimus Prime paint scheme? You know, doesn't say anything on the box about, you know, being modeled after that, but certainly has that look at it. Yeah, it'd be cool if you had like a Optimus Prime face like they do with Hot Wheels. But you know, I know it's not the same truck, it's just the paint scheme, but it looks pretty cool, and that's one of the main reasons I wanted this truck. Now if you pair this with this guy right here, you definitely have now a Transformers scene when, you know, Optimus will say Autobots roll out, and then every single one would appear. So this model is from M2, and again, it's just the paint scheme that looks like Bumblebee, but it's not meant to be it, I think. Bumblebee. Oh yeah, this one had something funky on the wheels. It doesn't sit right, but anyway, we're not talking about this guy. This one rolls just fine. I don't think one of the mud flaps catches the road, but again, it's not straight enough. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. This is a pretty cool model, the Mack. And as always, thank you for tuning in and supporting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until the next one, see ya.